What's up, guys? Welcome back to One Take Wednesday. This, for those of you that don't know or you're new to the channel, this is a segment that can be pretty much about anything. It's like a one-shot, low-effort kind of video for me, so just get a little bit more content for you guys. Today we got not a project of mine, but something I just picked up from my buddy here. It's well, we don't know the year yet, but it's a Farmall A. So we're just about home here. We'll drag it off the trailer and show you what we got, and maybe see if we can't get this thing fired up, but I don't know if we're going to get that far today. When we get back here, go ahead. So here she sits, buddy's new Farmall A. What we know about it is that it's been sitting for quite a while, obviously. This tire here still has the tits on it, so I'd imagine it was running pretty good up until they parked it, because nobody's going to put a brand new tire on something that don't work right. The motor is currently locked up because it's been sitting without the exhaust covered for God knows how long. But I'm gonna probably give him a little hand here and there, try and get this thing running again. She is fairly rough, but definitely savable. It's got some things on it that were nicer than mine when I got it, and it's got some things worse too, but you know. All right, he's been tearing her down here. It's not my project, so I'm not going to keep super good tabs on it, but I thought it'd make a cool little update kind of video. The motor has a lot more water damage than we were hoping. This cylinder here is real bad. Gonna end up getting new sleeves, pistons, rings, all that, I'm sure. The valve train's pretty rough. That's pretty darn rusty. So we're gonna try cleaning it up. Hopefully we can save it. We're about to pop the oil pan off and see what it looks like inside. There's what the oil looked like. It's kind of like goopy sludge here. So without further ado, let's knock this oil pan off. Oh, hold it. Got your hand on it? Let her down. Yeah. That's the good stuff, bud. Is the plug still in that?
Yeah, I put the plug back in.
Oh, that's nice. That's a great oil pan. Oh, buddy, she is rough. My tab's turned to the left. Yeah, but it really drops the video ratings down. That is bad. Ugh. That's the nastiest pan I've dropped in quite some time. Ugh, buddy. So anyway, it's not my project, but I just figured it'd be something a lot of you guys were interested in, and just that's what I was up to today, helping a buddy out drag this thing up here. rip into it a little bit, but it's not my project, so I can't cover it too in depth. Kind of busy with my own, but I might come back up here and take a peek in on it now and again. It's definitely pretty rough shape, but it's still worth saving in my book. It's an international. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you Friday.